Here we are.
Here we are. We're inside AMA's amazing showroom.
Well, it's
with
nice to
Monique.
have you.
It's good to be here again.
Thank you.
Tell us everything that you've got that you do. AMA Roofing Supplies. I'm guessing it's roofing supplies.
Mostly, it's
Okay.
roofing supplies. Everything you need for your roof we have, but we also have some specialty products. Decking, vinyl decking, composite decking, railing, skylights, metal, siding,
Siding?
special
Wow.
wood, hardy board.
You got the whole outside covered.
You got, yes.
The whole package.
Yes.
Other than amazing, what's the AMA from?
AMA is my family. So my
Oh.
mom, Ann, and myself, Monique, and my brother, Andrew.
So it's a family business.
Yes.
Owned and operated, and how long has it been around?
39 years this month.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You know, you've partnered with ICO, you've been a distributor, seller,
Right from the
vendor.
beginning.
Wow, good for you.
Yeah.
And it's obviously going well.
Yes, well, when my dad first started, we were across the street in a little warehouse with a pickup truck and a trailer.
Huh.
And now we have 4 trucks and 12 lovely staff, and we're busy every day.
So your team here, how many
Yeah.
employees have you got?
12.
Good.
And
So
my main guy
is you
is
got,
Mike.
who
Mike.
just walked into the showroom?
That's
Hey,
right.
Mike,
Hi.
Andy, ICO. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
So what do you do?
I am the shipping manager.
You're the main guy.
He's
I
the
am.
main
You should say
guy.
that on your card, because
It
your
should.
boss just
It
says you're the
should
main
say
guy.
that.
I do have a card and I write on it all the time, main guy.
Yeah. So shipping, how's the shipping business?
It's tough work, we're busy, so
Yeah.
things are good.
Well, it's beautiful outside today.
It is.
Now, you're not shipping 4 or 3, you're getting ready for tomorrow? You're staging
Right
for
now
tomorrow?
we are. We do that at the end of the day.
Yeah.
During the day, we're usually just punching them out all day long.
Gee, it's good. It apparently keeps you fit. Maybe I should do that. I should be lifting bundles of Cambridge and Dynasty, because that could work off the winter.
Yes, it would do that for
It
you.
would do that. It's done that
I
for you.
usually
Yeah.
shed the pounds in the summertime and they come
Yeah,
back
I
in the winter.
guess. Yeah. Well, keep up the good work.
Thank you, nice to meet
Work
you.
safely. Nice meeting you. And don't drop any of those valuable ICO products.
Bundles.
I will not.
That's right.
Okay. If I had to guess, just off the top of my head, I would say you've maybe recently renovated your house.
I did.
No way.
I did.
What are the odds?
What are the odds? It was
So-
awesome.
Yeah?
It was fun. Yeah, I had a really good time. I got to pick everything I wanted. It's exactly the way I wanted it. And I'm very happy with the beautiful Dynasty shingles we put on them.
You put ICO products on your roof.
Of course I did.
Wow, you probably get a deal.
I got a little bit of a deal.
Good.
Yeah.
And I think that's about it.
All right.
It's good to see your business is thriving, you're thriving, you're happy, and life is good, and
That's good.
continued success, and thanks for your time today.
Thank you so much.